Hi guys, so finally I have bought the Cola 2000 as I promised. So you can see it right, this Cola 2000, and it came with a 580-watt solar panel, very huge and massive. So in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of this Cola 2000. Okay, so guys, join me while I do the unboxing of this Cola 2000. Now before I start guys, let me show you guys how Cola 2000 looks from the outside on the carton and the panel. Look at it here. You can take your time and read all these instructions. And you can see all this description here. Then here's the solar panel, very huge. It's just like about 3 times bigger than my Cola 1000 solar panel. Look at, very huge. Now let's go on the unboxing proper. Cola solar, you can see here is how you can use it. For bulb, 20 watts it takes 100 hours. For fan, 30 watts it takes 66 hours. For TV, you can take your time and go through all this. You can see. Now to unbox it, I will open from here. Here's the cable to charge with NEPA light. Here's the manual. If you buy it, you can take your time after to go through it and see all the instruction. Let's see what's inside. Here's the cable to charge with your solar panel. Look at it here. Come on, remove it for me. Now I'm bringing out. Yeah, wow, drop it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Very huge, and it's very heavy. Look at Cola 2000. Finally, guys, you can take a look at Cola 2000. So I bought it today. You can hold your two hands here and lift it up. Look. And this one you can see. Okay, you can drop it on the ground. Wait, let me put this thing. Okay, it's okay here. So you can see here is where you charge with your AC input. You charge with the cable to NEPA. Yes, PV input. You charge with the cable to solar panel, which is that panel, 580 watt. And right here you can see it has two AC outputs. You can either plug here or here, and you can see it contains 220 volts, and it contains 1000 watt rated power, unlike Cola 1000 that contains only 200 watts rated power. So this one can power your fridge, can power your TV, can power your fan, can power several things. Don't worry, I will do a test on all the things this can power. So guys, now to on it, you can see right here is on off. Just come here and press and hold it. Okay, you can see it's on. Look, 4 bar, 1 2 3 4. You can see it. So it's on, and it's noiseless, no single noise. You see, right? So guys, in my next video guys, I will show you guys how you can use Cooler 2000 on your fridge and other appliances. For now, thanks for watching and bye.